आयशा राजपूत और मैं हूँ द केप गोवा में एट गोवा और यहाँ पर मैं मिली हूँ एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्ट्रेस से जो कि एक सोशल मीडिया सेलिब्रिटी भी है और ये है बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बोल्ड और बिंदास। हम और आप इनको देख चुके हैं मस्तराम, रक्तांचल और हसमुख जैसी सीरीज में और आज का हमारा जो सेलिब्रिटी टॉक शो है ये बहुत ही स्पेशल और डिफरेंट होने वाला है क्योंकि जब मैं इनको मिली तो मुझे लगा कि इनसे कॉन्वर्सेशन करना बनता है और आप लोगों तक इनका कॉन्वर्सेशन पहुंचाना भी बनता है। तो बिना किसी देरी के लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस कनिषा अवस्थी।
Hi Kanisha.
Hi Ayesha, how are you?
I am good, so good to see you. Please come.
Thank you
So,
for having me.
I wanted to introduce you to my viewers because they are absolutely going to love this conversation. And ये एपिसोड बहुत ही डिफरेंट होने वाला है बिकॉज हमारे लिए यहाँ पे रेडी किया हुआ है जकूजी।
Oh wow!
और हम हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन करने वाले हैं इस जकूजी के अंदर बैठकर।
Oh my
So
god.
come, welcome, please have your seat.
Thank you so much, Ayesha. Thank you to all the viewers who are watching me. Thank you for having me here.
You said that we are going to have this conversation.
Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Ayesha. Wow, this feels like festive and amazing.
How are you feeling, Kanisha?
Amazing. And thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much, audience, for watching me right now. Thank you so much for having me.
So Kanisha, हमारे जो viewers हैं, they would love to know you because it's been fantastic meeting you here. क्योंकि हमने लास्ट 2 दिन से जो भी कॉन्वर्सेशन किए हैं मुझे लगता है कि हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी पता चलना चाहिए दैट हाउ कनिषा अवस्थी इज एंड शी इज़ अ फन पर्सन गाइज। अगर आप उसके साथ में एक इवनिंग बिता लेंगे तो यू कैन नेवर फॉरगेट हर। दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि आज हमने उनको यहाँ पे स्पेशली बुलाया एंड आई वांटेड टू डू दिस इंटरव्यू राइट हियर। आई कुड नॉट वेट कि मैं मुंबई जाऊँ और फिर उनको बुलाऊँ और फिर हम ये इंटरव्यू करें।
So sweet of you for your kind words. Thank you, Ayesha. And I just hope all my ex-boyfriends are listening. Once you spend one evening with me, you can't forget me. So
Yeah, right.
well, thank you so much. It's been really the highlight of my Goa trip, meeting you. And you're such a lovely person, so talented, and it's really a privilege to be here today.
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
very much for all the lovely things. It takes a lovely person to see the lovely in others. And thank you so much for having me.
थैंक यू। तो कनिषा हमें आप बताओ कि आपकी सोशल मीडिया जर्नी जो है वो कैसी रही है और हाउ डू यू लाइक इट, यू डोंट लाइक इट, और what are the highlights that you want to tell your fans or followers?
So, Ayesha, to be honest with you, my social media following started growing parallelly with my commercial work. So, जब मैंने मेरे web shows and by the grace of God, all 3 of them released last year during Corona, and all 3 of them back to back went trending. For the people who may not know or may know also, Hasmukh, Raktanchal and Mastram. And उससे मेरे social media को बहुत ज़्यादा इजाफा मिला. It got a sudden surge, and I was at 47,000 followers, and by the end of the year, I was at 530
Wow.
thousand K, followers. 1000 and K is same. Sorry, I just had a thought moment. So I never, हम सुनते रहते थे राइट कि सोशल मीडिया का पोटेंशियल इतना है और आजकल तो एक अपने आप में एक प्रोफेशन है ब्लॉगिंग, इट्स अ सीरियस फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन. लोगों का पूरा एक सेटअप होता है, पूरी 10, 15, 20 लोगों की टीम्स होती हैं. एंड मुझे इस पूरे अपनी जर्नी के दौरान रियलाइज हुआ कि इस चीज़ में कितना पोटेंशियल है एंड इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस बिजनेस इंटरफेस. So it's been great. It's been a great learning. I have enjoyed being so personal with all my followers, and I hate that word, but since everyone says it, fans. I don't think anyone is a fan till the time you're not Roger Federer, but ठीक है, if that's what they call it now, fans and followers. And उनका direct जो feedback है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा I think हमें मार्गदर्शन भी मिलता है. We get the right, we get an idea to navigate our career in a better way. And we get an idea कि आगे चल के किस तरह के रोल में वो देखना पसंद करेंगे हमें, because audience is king, at the end of the day. We all work for the audience, we all work for you guys. And It's been a great revelation for me. 2020 was the year that introduced me. Actually, मेरे लिए बहुत ही pivotal year था because you know even in terms of मेरा commercial work and even in terms of my social media, both the things got started in that year. And I'm just hoping that I can continue to work hard and continue this journey and really see where it takes me. You know?
So are you really saying that you came on social media in 2020?
No, I didn't come on social media in 2020, but I was just like very low key on it, you know, before. इस तरह से जिस तरह से एक सिस्टमैटिकली एक शेड्यूल के साथ अब जब हम इस चीज़ में पूरी तरह से उतर गए हैं, you know, when we become influencers, you know, we schedule our posts and we do it with a timetable. You know, it's a serious business like how you do office hours. You have to do it like that. You know? It is work. It is proper work, you know. So ये जो एक नया सोशल मीडिया का जो मुझे एस्पेक्ट पता चला है, जो इतना सिस्टमैटिक और इतना ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, यू नो, और मोनेटाइजेबल भी है, तो बहुत लोगों के लिए जो आप बडिंग ब्लॉगर्स वगैरह हैं, इट्स अ वेरी पोटेंट फील्ड. एंड इनफैक्ट वी वर टॉकिंग द अदर डे कि अब तो कितने लोग डिस्कवर भी होने लगे हैं सोशल मीडिया के जरिए.
Correct.
So
that traditional way of, you know,
Yes.
scouting people कि आप कैसे talent को ढूंढेंगे, that you don't have to do.
which I think is so great, right?
Yes,
Because
yes.
then it gives everyone a fair chance.
Correct,
You know, you know, you don't have to be a daughter, son, whatever of anyone. If your presence on social
Right.
media is strong, you know, you will get an opportunity.
So Kanisha, when you told me, you know, that you worked in Mastaram, and a lot of our viewers would also want to know that how you got into Mastaram and how you decided that you wanted to do that series.
I got into it after a lot of struggle.
Okay.
Maybe 1,500 auditions.
Okay.
So let me tell all our viewers about you know, ये जो auditions का struggle होता है, ये अपने आप में बहुत ही difficult होता है. For all the
Right.
budding actors, it's not easy, guys. You have to also approach that like a job.
Correct.
तो बाकायदा एक ऐसा यू नो मेरी लाइफ का एक दौर था जहाँ 1.5 साल तक या तकरीबन 2 साल तक मैं लिटरली अपनी गाड़ी में 5-6 चेंजेस लेके निकलती थी, और दिन भर एक ऑफिस में जैसे आप जाते हो वैसे मैं ऑडिशन में जाया करती थी. और whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know, but I got shortlisted for 14 web shows, जिसमें
wow.
कि I got 3.
Okay.
And for a lot of people they feel कि 3 भी बहुत अच्छा है यार, एक साल में रिलीज. लेकिन अगर मैं 14 में शॉर्टलिस्ट हुई हूँ तो you can imagine I must have gone for 1,000 at least, right? So it was a very hard struggle, and like they say, you know, starting में it's you who make the opportunity, who makes what they have to make out of the opportunity.
Correct.
You know, so I have never been of the opinion कि you know मैं यही काम करूँगी या वही काम करूँगी, because I'm just starting out, and जो भी मुझे opportunities मिली मुझे उसमें अपना 110% देना था, और जो कि मैंने किया. और फिर भगवान की कृपा से you know it got such good reception, and it got so much love from the audiences. So मैं ज़्यादा results से attach नहीं करती हूँ खुद को. I just keep doing my struggle here, because in this line of work in entertainment.
But I
business-
think Mastaram में you are looking fabulous, and I think you were the highlight of that entire series. That
Thank
Mastaram
you.
1 is all about, you know, the major this thing that I see highlight was Kanisha.
Thank you so much. That is really kind, and I think कि बोलते हैं ना कि when you keep working hard, कहीं ना कहीं से आपको उस चीज़ का नतीजा मिल ही जाता है.
Correct.
So I think कि हालांकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा failures face किए हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा difficult भी रही है, because mentally it's very challenging, right? You don't know whether you will get through or not. You don't know how will everything work out, but that's the thing, you know. I think हमारी industry में for all the entertainers, you know, I have to say big ups to you guys, because it's a ultimate test of patience, mental endurance, and just you know being positive. You have to be so positive, because the moment you bring self doubt, I think it's going to be over for you. So एक challenge की तरह अगर आप लोग हैं कि यार देखते हैं ना खुद को push करके,
Correct.
कितना और endurance है खुद में, you know.
Right.
If you take it like that you're just going to test your mettle, you know, then I think this industry is a lovely place. And right now, you know, Aisha, I was telling you that it's such a great time for entertainers and
Yes.
actors, right? It's
Right.
opened up, it's democratic, you know, there's such good content that is
Yes.
happening. And
you
inshallah,
have
we'll see
freedom.
you also in a lot of content, touchwood. And I think, you know, it makes you mentally tougher.
There is a lot of opportunity कि आप अपना content बनाएं and you do what you like.
ये तो मैं सभी को बोलूँगी कि प्लीज़ अपना कंटेंट बनाइए. आपके पास इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, आपके पास यूट्यूब है, आपके पास इंस्टाग्राम है. आज की तारीख में आप अपना कंटेंट अगर नहीं बना रहे तो आप अपने साथ नाइंसाफ़ी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये वेट करते रहना और सोचते रहना कि हमें कोई डिस्कवर करेगा, ये अपने आप में आई थिंक पूरा एक डेटेड अप्रोच हो गई है. I think now women and men, everybody is taking their destiny in their own hands, and you have to
Right.
you have to really you have to throw yourself in the deep end.
Correct.
If you swim, you swim. You drown, you drown. But that's life.
So Kanisha, do you think कि मसराम जैसे सीरीज करने के बाद में लोगों का परसेप्शन बहुत चेंज हो जाता है? Have you faced any when people try telling you on via comments या फिर कुछ आपको बोलते थे कि you have done this, any perception change you have experienced because of that?
No, to be honest, I take every job as a new job, and I think as an actor, बतौर एक actor मेरा काम और मेरा मुद्दा यही है कि मैं जितने अलग अलग किस्म के किरदार निभा सकूँ उतने मैं निभाऊँ. तो मैं किसी भी कैरेक्टर को अपने पे ना हावी होने देती हूँ, ना मुझे लगता है कि मैं उस कैरेक्टर पे हावी होनी चाहिए. सो बेसिकली परसेप्शंस आर वेरी फ्लीटिंग, यू नो माय फ्रेंड. आज ये परसेप्शन है, कल वो
कल कुछ और
परसेप्शन.
होगा.
सो अगर मैं परसेप्शन के बारे में सोचने लगूंगी तो मुझे वो एज एन आर्टिस्ट बहुत लिमिट कर जाएगी चीज़. सो आई रियली डोंट थिंक अबाउट परसेप्शन. आई ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाटएवर अपॉर्चुनिटी आई गेट. उसमें मुझे अपनी महारत दिखानी है, और अगर मैंने अच्छे से कर लिया वो काम, सो कहीं ना कोई जो पीपल who are really the scouting, who really scout talent, who are genuine about identifying talent, they will identify my talent and my effort and sincerity.
Right.
That's all I think about, to be honest with you. बाकी perception and all हर एक का बहुत बार चेंज होता है. It's human mind.
Right.
Today people can be married, 2 years later they may not recognize each other, they may turn strangers. So ये तो एक फिर बहुत ही सत्य वाली, it's a entertainment which is a bubble, right? It's a make-believe world. So I don't let these things hamper my decisions. I just take whatever opportunities come to me and I give it my 110%. And that's what I would tell all the, all our viewers right now, that if you're serious about making a career in this industry, I think your only agenda should be to put in your 110%, and whatever opportunities, even if you get one scene, you can make your presence felt.
Yes, yes,
Nawazuddin Siddiqui and so many others have,
Very true.
done it in the past. So we have to, it's a dignity of work. That's it.
Correct. Media is so fast and हर कोई है social media पे. So how do you handle the negative comments?
I don't handle negativity. I remove myself from the equation. और social media में तो बहुत ही आसान है, आप ब्लॉक कर सकते हो. मैं तो real life में निकल आती हूँ. I just subtract myself from the equation.
That's the best thing to do, I guess.
That's the only sensible thing to do, because if you start to and fro, then it becomes like this ugly, spat. And I just think that, negativity is such a thing that the only way you can escape it is if you escape it. So
And you also laugh it out sometimes. If किसी ने कुछ लिखा है तो you just laugh it out and just
Yeah.
ignore it.
always, because the pathetic thing is that most of the time they won't have a photo. यार फोटो भी डालने की तुम्हारे में हिम्मत नहीं है, और तुम बता रहे हो मुझे कि मैं क्या हूँ क्या नहीं. ठीक है ना, पहले उतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए तुम्हारी लाइफ में तो आगे मिला. एंड सेकेंडली आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम ऐसे जो नफरत वाले बड़े कमेंट्स लिखते हैं, उनकी मतलब स्पेलिंग एंड ऑल भी सब ऊपर नीचे उनमें स्पेस, तो यू फील सॉरी फॉर देम. यार दे आर वेरी लो इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवोल्यूशन. अभी बहुत
What an observation. मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं, but now just because you're saying it, वो मैं realize करी हाँ कुछ तो लिखा था, पर वो अलग spelling
you
थी.
notice it now. There's a particular breed, there's a particular category of people.
Right. Okay, tell me like हमारी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में ये लोगों का परसेप्शन है कि जब भी आप काम मांगने जाते हो या endorsements के लिए जाते हो, so you have to go through casting round या people will ask you for compromise. So ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ में ऐसा experience?
No, luckily nobody is upfront asking for a compromise, but yes, I know about that side of the industry. It does exist, and it's very sad that a lot of girls get trapped in that whole bad. I think it's like a black hole, right? And the only thing is that people do expect you to be very yes man and chamcha. I think वो तो उसका अगर आप नहीं कर पाओगे चमचा के, तो उसका तो आपको मुआवजा भरना ही पड़ेगा. But my point is, everybody is not equipped to do it, right? It's about it's a skill set, guys. The ones who are doing it, you all are doing amazing, man. I got to learn something from you all, because it's a skill set, Most of the time when I try to do it, I've never tried also, but even by mistake, if I try, I feel like I'm myself sounding so unconvincing to me. So I just don't try it, because I feel like उतनी देर में I'll do some other work, ना, which will give me assured results. जिसमें मतलब अच्छा नहीं है आपका talent, वो चीज़ में क्यों पढ़ना?
Have you unfollowed anyone on Instagram?
Yeah, a lot of people.
Lot of people.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will not ask you for names.
Oh my God, thank you. Because a lot of them are people I've even worked with. So.
Okay, let's not get into it. Do you abuse?
Yeah, hell yes.
Okay, so When it comes to abuse, what do you prefer, Hindi or English?
It totally depends on who is on the opposite side of me और
Okay.
उस इंसान को ज़्यादा क्या चुभेगा because the whole purpose of abuse is to it's like a power play, right? It's
Right.
like trying to prove a point. So I make sure that I abuse them at their level, like
Okay.
broadcast करें and then I just kind of like I wanna just vent. For me abusing is a vent. अब वो English में हो, हिंदी में हो, मराठी में हो, French में हो.
Do you also enjoy something like
Yeah,
Hindi,
definitely.
English, both you enjoy?
Yeah, both also. That category.
Have you
English में
invented
भी.
something?
I've invented lots of curse words. Lots of curse words.
Okay.
Sometimes I invent it on the spot also, spontaneously. Something new comes up.
And then you realize, oh, what did I
And
say?
then I tell
That's
the
my
person
favorite
also, hey, did you just hear? I just invented this goddamn thing. It's so cool. So it's like,
word. Oh, so cool. Okay, tell me, which part of a man's body do you like most?
eyes. They're a window to your soul, and eyes are magnetic. I like eyes.
एंड आपको क्या लगता है आपकी बॉडी का ऐसा कौन सा पार्ट है जो कि आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है और लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है?
मुझे
हाँ.
यार I like my hands, okay. I think I have really
Ah,
quite very मैं कोई घमंड से नहीं बोल रही, but I do have pretty hands.
Yes, yes.
And
I was
most-
about to tell you that because I've been noticing your hands since yesterday and I was like, यार बहुत सुंदर है.
Thank you. So कई लोगों ने मुझे और मेरे कुछ चाहने वाले पिछले दौरों में जो थे, सबने मुझे हैंड्स के लिए काफी तारीफ करी है. तो I think कि हाँ यार कुछ बात तो है hands में. So I like my hands personally.
Do you lie?
Yeah.
Okay.
A
I'm
lot.
not going to ask you when and to who. Okay. If you were a product, what will be your tagline?
All purpose. Because I'm a hustler, so I'm all purpose. And I want to be an all purpose person only. कभी एंकरिंग कर लो, कभी एक्टिंग कर लो. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ सबको, in fact that all purpose होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I think everything is got potential and opportunity. So I'm all purpose. I would be like an all purpose something.
Okay. How do you find out that a guy likes you?
I mean, mostly though they flirt and all make it pretty obvious, and then their body language, I think, and with me लोगों ने like कर दिया है कि अब तो आदत सी हो गई है.
How do you respond to it? Like अभी पता है कि हाँ यार ये फ्लर्ट कर रहा है या ये करने वाला है.
I enjoy it, yeah. I also like men, and if they are interesting and intelligent, and if I also like them, then it's really fun. But अगर थोड़ा अटपटा तब हो जाता है कि जब when you don't like, so then you say casually कि hey bro, ऐसा करके कुछ करके आप मतलब clear कर दो कि भाई you are not in the same category, and you are like my brother.
So even I agree with you. Lower body बहुत ज़्यादा sexy लगता है.
Yeah.
Even I.
Followers, yeah. What they have legs.
Yeah. Okay. Sense of humor or presence of mind?
Sense of humor.
Anything,
Anything. Sense of humor.
The boy who can cook or a boy who can sing?
A boy who can cook. Yeah.
Can you cook?
No, that's why I said a boy who can, I can sing, so.
I can eat.
Great.
Yeah.
So 3 is a party then.
Yes. Okay. Boobs or ass?
In a guy or
No, of course.
I know
way.
correct. Oh God, because there are so many kinds of genders now. With all due respect, I think for me, I prefer like I mean not prefer, but I find an ass more attractive.
Yeah. Okay. If you have to sleep naked with a stranger, will you prefer a male or a female?
Male.
Any day.
Why would I sleep naked with a female? अभी लाइफ के उस दौर पे मैं नहीं आई उस मोड में. But
Alright.
never say never, but not so far.
Make out on a beach or make out in the jungle?
Make out on a beach. Jungle and all maybe I've done. But it was really bad because all the insects like really attack you, and then you're really scared some wolves might come. That was the funniest I think make out experience I had. We actually went into a jungle, and by the time I came out, I had like all these bites, of these insects and all. It was really bad. And then there was some Graham Panchayat. I don't know who he came with a danda, and we just ran in our car. We were like, oh my god, let's get out of here. It was
Which jungle was that?
jungle bit tha yaar. It was near National Park or whatever. That guy is coming out with one danda to hit us and all, with
Oh
4-5
God.
other people.
Oh God. Money or fame?
मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि शोहरत जब आती है तो पैसा तो बहुत ही छोटा उसका आउटपुट है, वो तो आ ही जाएगा. तो और शोहरत जब आती है तो इज्जत भी मिलती है, और इज्जत बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है मेरी लाइफ में. सो मैं आई वुड ऑलवेज गो फॉर फेम. because money is a very small offshoot of it.
एक दिन फोन के बगैर या एक दिन कपड़ों के बगैर, व्हाट विल यू प्रेफर?
एक दिन फोन के बगैर। पिछले 2 दिन से ऐसे ही मेरा नेटवर्क वगैरह आ नहीं रहा है, तो मुझे अब पता चल गया कि इट्स फाइन।
फाइन टू लिव विदाउट। ओके, तो कनिष्का आप पार्टी करते हो?
Not really, like,
यू डोंट प्रेफर पार्टी?
no, I don't prefer parties because I'm very selective with my social interactions, and mostly when I meet my friends, I like to talk. Yeah, parties like I get shortcut, but I really like to spend time with my friends and talk to them because that's what, you know, it's the memories, right? So mostly we meet at house parties. You can't call them parties because it's like maybe 12 of us are sitting and talking, you know, and I prefer it that way. I've never been a party person.
कैसे डू यू थिंक कि लड़कियां जो है वो अपनी सेक्सुअल लाइफ के बारे में जनरली झूठ बोलती हैं? मतलब दिस इज अ परसेप्शन दैट पीपल हैव।
झूठ भी बोलती है, वो तो कहा नहीं जा सकता, अब ये तो एक बहुत ही इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक चीज़ है, बट आई थिंक बहुत कतराती हैं, यू नो। आज की तारीख में भी आई थिंक गर्ल्स बहुत ज़्यादा संकोच महसूस करती हैं और कुछ ना कुछ उनको एक सेंस ऑफ शेम होता है, यू नो, कि मतलब आई डोंट अप्रोच बॉयज एंड आई, मतलब इवन इफ यू डू, हाउ डज इट मेक यू बैड? Everybody is equal now.
Right.
You're also making as much money as a man, and आपका भी हक है यार कि you also enjoy the finer things in life.
लाइक आई टेल यू, लड़कियों के लिए ना ये टॉपिक, जैसे कि लड़कों में इट्स अ वेरी कैजुअल
Yeah, very
डिस्कशन
casual.
एंड पीपल डिस्कस
Yeah.
एंड they'll discuss girlfriends and everything, but for girls it is very, you know, they will not do that.
Yeah.
Like मेरे दी वेडिंग में पहली बार लोगों ने देखा and they were very surprised कि
Yeah.
चलो गर्ल्स का दिस साइड इज आल्सो देयर।
Yeah, of course this side is there, but it's just that हमारा societal pressure और हमारा जो एक social diktat है, वो एक तरह से आपको हमेशा उसमें black and white में डालने की कोशिश करता है ना, good girl, bad girl, और अब I think ये line blurred हो जानी चाहिए because the world is becoming very global now. We are a global village, so you know we all travel, we all go into different cultures, we all have friends from different countries, and I think अब evolve हो जाना चाहिए, इस चीज़ से परे जाना चाहिए, gender, you know, discussion से परे जाना चाहिए।
आप क्या सोचते हो गोल्ड कंटेंट के बारे में which is there on OTT?
If it's a great unit, if it's a good production house and a good director and DOP, there's nothing wrong with it because अब cinema and content realism की ओर जा रहा है. And in reality, you know, sex and intimacy is a very normal part of the human experience, you know. So मुझे कोई उसमें हामी नहीं नजर आती है जब तक कि आप एक स्टोरी नैरेटिव को मद्देनजर रखते हुए कर रहे हैं, then I think it's perfect.
Right. Okay. A little inappropriate. What is the worst place that you have ever asked to meet out?
Oh my god. Worst place, but it was a very beautiful memory. So while the place was really bad, the memory was good.
Okay.
So I was kind of seeing this person at that point in time, and we were really young, and we didn't kind of have like a lot of, you know, I mean, we obviously couldn't afford like, you know, a hotel room and whatever. So we just literally made out in a building which was under repair or something like that on Valentine's Day.
Wow.
It was such a crazy memory, and I just felt like, oh my god, this is like, there's all these construction ladders, and what are we doing if some laborer walks in? What are we really doing? But it was still like one of the sweetest, and I think it is a very precious memory. So while it was very odd, the place where we were making out, but it was still, you know, वही तो मजा होता है ना at that age.
Yes.
And it was
And
just
I
so
love the way you
spontaneous.
answered it, because you know a lot of people will refrain, you know, answering that question, but it was a very sweet and very nice answer. Thank you.
Thank you. He knows who he is.
Okay. Something you don't like about men?
I think I don't like men who are controlling. I don't like men who are, you know, high-handed. And you know, एक वो mansplaining होती है ना, एक तो कि मतलब you know अपनी ही बात रखना और थोड़ा aggressive होना और you know, I just don't like men who are dominating, you know, dominate करने के, because there's no need to dominate. It's an equal partnership, and
Right.
you have to give me also equal respect, you know. If you want a slave, then I'm not the one for you. If you want a friend who is a mate, then you know we should have an equal relationship. You know? So I don't like men who talk down and all.
If you wake up as a man, what is the first thing that you do?
Yeah, I'll be very happy. And I'll call up some pretty chicks and whatnot, and just like date all the time, yaar.
Full day.
Full day, all day, all night, like just live it up, man. और क्या मतलब their life is a party, what? And I'll never wax, I'll just relax, you know. और ये देखो rhyming भी बन गया. I'll never wax, I'll just relax, and I'll just date all the dates, you know,
Wow.
across the world.
How do you express love?
So I'm not very expressive with words. मुझे लगता है कि if you have to use words to express तो पूरा मतलब purpose beat हो जाता है. So it's mostly in actions. I care about the person a lot. I forgive the person easily. And I always try and be empathetic. मतलब मैं हमेशा empathy के perspective से उनका देखने की कोशिश करती हूँ. That's how I express love. And through the deepest friendship. I think the basis of any kind of love, if it's love for your sister, for your parents, for your boyfriend, for your whoever friends, a basis is a very good friendship.
Okay. What is the cheesiest pickup line that you have heard and you actually have fallen for it? Like, हाँ यार, बहुत बोला यार.
Very funny. But this was again this long time back. And this one guy, okay, he tells me that I think that we've met in another life. Don't you think like that this is not like this now and that we go back many lifetimes. तो उसने वो इतना stylized और इतना convincing तरीके से बोला कि by the end of it I was like, oh my god, yeah, really man. I thought of it like that, but maybe now that you say it, उसने मतलब बिल्कुल convincingly आंखों में आंखें
Some people
डाल
are
के.
so creative.
They are so natural and so good at flirting.
Yes.
Later you realize it's an art which you get better at with
Yeah,
time.
right. Okay, have you heard about this term called muh bola boyfriend?
नहीं, what is this मुंह बोला boyfriend now?
So somebody, जो दोस्त से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है.
हाँ, अच्छा,
उससे
okay.
कम
Friends
है.
with benefits.
Yeah.
Of course.
You ever had one?
Friends with benefits, yes, I have. I mean, I think it's a very cool concept because see, sometimes there's also sometimes it naturally so happens that you really like somebody more than friend, but it's less than love. And I prefer instead of randomly, dating someone, I would always prefer if I'm in a situation like that with a friend of mine who I trust, who I really enjoy the company of, who I like, and if there's some bit of chemistry and all, that's great. I think it's a very practical, modern
Right.
concept. Yeah.
Wow, that's a different answer that I've heard so far.
Yeah. I think it's very modern and it's a very progressive concept, and it's going to become more rampant in the years to come.
Okay. So I'm going to give you two choices. You have to choose between them. Hairy chest or hairy back?
Hairy chest. Not hairy back. Like one manush. So,
Okay. Lean or bulky?
I still like guys who are bulky. Yeah. Men should be broad.
Suited or shirtless?
I really like suits, A lot of my crushes and some of my exes have been like guys from Ivy League and all that. They are just different, yeah. Their class,
Shirt,
sophistication,
tie.
the cravats, the shirts, the ties, the bows, and the pocket squares. And it's just I like suits.
Bicep or chest?
Fine.
Upper body or lower body?
Oh, that's a very tough one, lower body. Because that is the true test of your fitness.
So if you had to choose between your boyfriend or Instagram or social media, what will you choose?
Social media, because it's forever and I can meet a lot more interesting people.
Oh wow. Okay. So if you're punished to be naked on a beach, okay, so who would you want to be with? Friends, stranger or boyfriend?
I don't really have a boyfriend, so I'll take a stranger, and I'm just hoping he's German and handsome.
Oh wow. Home food or street food?
Street food.
Street food. Okay. So we are done with the choices. I am going to ask you a few. Okay. So now we move on to truth and dare.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you choose? Truth or dare?
Food.
Okay. Do you lie to your boyfriend or other men? Do you lie to?
I mean, my question is who doesn't, yeah?
हाँ.
होता है ना harmless line पर ऐसा कोई गलत चीज का line नहीं
Correct.
harmless line.
Have you made out or kissed your friend's boyfriend?
No, never. That's against my ethics.
Do you feel jealous with your friends or maybe your colleagues?
No, never. Mostly it's the other way around.
Okay.
So I know how it feels when everyone's like just trying to be jealous of you, and I would never put that negativity on anyone.
Somebody that you didn't like in past 3 days.
I can't tell you that, but yes,
Yes. Have somebody.
I have told you. I've mentioned.
Okay. What do you think about the photographer that we have on today's show?
He is incredibly, I think, he's incredibly hardworking. I think he's very, very sorted, very talented. And I think he's going to be that person who at 46 also, na? He'll be the trending photographer. मतलब he'll be 46 and not run out.
46. Oh my god. This 46 run out has been a very fun line from last 2 days. So do you want to say something about that?
No, I just want to say that Prasanna is going to be the kind of man who's 46 pe not run out.
Wow. Okay. So you have to act it out now.
Okay.
With your favorite emoji, or you can just express it. So express that you're looking nice.
That's
Nice.
how I would look at myself in the mirror. Sometimes I do this stuff which is very retarded.
Fake smile. Guys, notice this is how she smiles when she doesn't like you.
It's a
Okay.
smile with a side eye. It's a smile, but it's also like,
Okay. Okay. Mimic someone.
I don't know, Mithun ko is
Wow.
legend.
Fake laugh. I can't do that, you know. It's so difficult for me. Okay. Sad.
Oh my god, in Goa? Sad? What is that? Like, oh my god. I can't feel sad right now.
Okay. No problem. Angry. You can't be angry also, I guess.
I am angry right now at our photographer.
Okay. A childish gesture that you do.
So I have this habit of when I'm really genuinely laughing, I happen to just chuckle and also wink. So कई बार ऐसे होता है कि मेरी हंसी जा रही होगी. So it goes like that. When I'm really happy.
Okay. Kanisha, you tell us about the project that you're working on currently.
Yeah.
And where we are going to see Kanisha next.
So right now I'm working on 2 films. There's one that's going to come out on Z5, which is called After the Ish. और ये बहुत ही उम्दा स्टारकास्ट के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला है, क्योंकि इसमें दिग्गज कलाकार हैं. दीपक पोखरियाल हैं, अमित दास जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर हैं, नेहा शर्मा जो सो ब्यूटीफुल शी इज है, इला अरुण जी हैं, मैं हूँ, और इसके अलावा एक से एक एक्टर्स हैं. हमारे डायरेक्टर और हमारी पूरी टीम ने बहुत ही कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है, जो कि एक हंगेरियन फिल्म का ऑफिशियल हिंदी रीमेक है. और वो हंगेरियन फिल्म ऑलरेडी अवार्ड विनिंग फिल्म है. ये सब फॉक्स पे उसका ही हम हिंदी बना रहे हैं आफ्टर द इश. सो ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरा आने वाला है बहुत ही रिसेंट, बहुत ही जल्द आएगा. और उसके बाद एक और फिल्म है जिसमें मैं काम कर रही हूँ, जो कि आई थिंक मोस्टली हॉटस्टार के लिए जाएगी, द इनकम्प्लीट मैन, जिसमें कि बहुत ही अच्छे हमारे इंडस्ट्री के एक्टर शाहरुख खान हैं, जिसको हमने स्कैम में दिखाया अपनी फैमिली मैन में करता है. और बहुत ही मतलब क्या कहूँ, दिग्गज, वाकई में दिग्गज एक्टर हैं वो. और उनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है. फ्रेडी चालू वाला बहुत अच्छे एक्टर, वरीना हुसैन है, अलंकृता जो कि मिस इंडिया भी रह चुके हैं. इन सबके साथ काम करने का एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस आ रहा है मुझे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स माई डायरेक्टर्स एंड माई प्रोड्यूसर्स आर सो काइंड एंड एक बहुत ही इंटीमेट, बहुत ही लविंग एम्बियंस है सेट पे. तो आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर दीज 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स. एंड इसके अलावा ऑफ कोर्स यू नो I will be putting out some of my original songs also this year. And यही उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आगे कई सारे वेब शोज वगैरह में दिखूँ आपको साल.
And not a lot of people would know that Kanisha is a good singer as well.
I've trained in music. Yes.
Can you sing 2 lines for us now?
Any song?
Any song, please.
वो एक भटके हुए राही को कारवां मिल गया flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. And he's drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Wow, wow, so talented, Kirisha. I'm so happy that I met you here, and thank you so much for taking out time to speak with us and interact. Because a lot of people, they don't know the real person behind the camera. They just see you in your photograph, they see you as a character. But there's this real person who they should know. And I'm really happy that I did this interview. And thank you so much for being so bindas, because not everybody can do that. And kudos to you for that.
Thank you so much, Aisha. You yourself are, I have to say, one of the most intelligent, most polite and courteous, kind, compassionate ladies, gorgeous ladies that I've ever met in this industry. And I think you really have a head about things. आपका बहुत level-headed है और बहुत sensible है. और I pray for you, my friend, that you do really well, which I'm sure you will. Thank you so much for your friendship also.
Thank you.
A highlight to me. Hey guys, I had such an amazing interview today with Bioscope, and I want to really take this opportunity to thank my amazing host Naisha, who is an entrepreneur, who is a social media sensation. It was truly a privilege being here on Bioscope, and मैंने बहुत सारे questions के reply दिए हैं, लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कोई ऐसा question है जो उन्होंने मुझसे नहीं पूछा और आप पूछना चाहते हैं, please send in your queries in the comment section below, and I will definitely reply to all your queries. Thank you so much.